Me and JJ are gonna teach you how to make some super easy pumpkin flan. First, we're gonna wash the hands real good. I cut up my pumpkin in little chunks and I put it on a baking sheet and let it cook for about 45 minutes at 350. And now we've got nice soft pumpkin that we are going to put in my little blender. I'm gonna do about a cup and a half. Most recipes say 16 ounces. I kind of wing it, so if you're not pureeing your own pumpkin, just do 16 ounces. Okay, press it. The first step is about a cup and a half of pureed pumpkin. So that's what we have in here first. Ew, you gonna kiss the egg? Now we have our sweetened condensed milk, aka lechera. Not the healthiest thing ever, but it's delicious. So there's that. Mix it up for me, JJ boy. I'm gonna let JJ crack 2 eggs. You got it? Okay. Oh, let me help. Now the second one. Okay. Okay, that's good. Hey. Learning with mama. There we go. Put the peeling in the trash. Just to recap, I had a cup and a half of pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, and a can of sweetened condensed milk. And that is really all you need. And JJ is helping me finish up stirring. Now I have it in a greased pan for 350 and I'm gonna cook it for about 30 minutes and check it. Also, just for our family, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top. I feel like cinnamon really helps bring out those fall flavors, so that's why I like to use it. Now we were going to watch Monster House, and I told JJ that if him or Diego gets scared, we can turn it off. Do you want to watch something different? Okay. We changed it to Hotel Transylvania. It's a little more kid-friendly. I'm gonna check it with a toothpick. Pretty firm. Now I'm gonna let it cool down and we're going to taste test it. Check out this cut. JJ's gonna try it now, okay? Is it still hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
Mmm.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, let me try with the toothpick.
You like the toothpick, don't you? Mmm. It's almost like the texture of a persimmon pudding if you've ever had that. But it's pretty good. Thank you for watching and join us for more adventures soon. Bye!